Tēnā koutou tamariki mā.
Tēnā koe mātua whaitiri.
Kia ora. How else do we say hello?
Tēnā koe.
Atamari e tamariki mā.
Tamari e mātua whaitiri.
Kia ora. What about this one? Mauri ora tamariki mā.
Mauri ora mātua whaitiri.
Kia ora. That was fantastic pronunciation. Good work. Make sure you got your shoes off. Oh, shoes off, Charlie. Shoes off, mate.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Kia hora. Te marino.
Te marino.
Kia whakapapa.
Kia whakapapa.
Pounamu.
Pounamu.
Te moana.
Te moana.
Kia tere.
Kia tere.
Te karohirohi.
Te karohiroi.
I mua.
I mua.
I tō huarahi.
I tō huarahi.
Tūhei.
Tūhei.
Mauri ora. Kia ora. So let's do that karakia one more time. Let's all go through it together. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora. Alright, let's start warming up. Let's get straight into pake ke mai o mati mati. I go first, you repeat after me, but we do the actions together. Koriri koutou? Ah, me timata. Pake ke mai o mati mati.
Pake ke mai o mati mati.
Wai wai whiua ki te taha. Wai whiua ki te taha. Takahuri ko iri wiri. Takahuri ko iri wiri. Kani totinana.
Kani tatinana.
Hey ha.
Hey ha.
Hey ha.
Hey ha.
Hey ha.
Hey ha.
Paki. Kia ora. Alright, let's have a look at another one today. Mahunga pakahiwi toru wha. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope wai wai. Taringa whatu I hua hae. Alright, today we're not going to say mahunga. We're not going to say pakahiwi. No taringa, no whatu. No mahunga, pakahiwi, taringa or whatu. Toru wha. Puku hope wai wai. Puku hope wai wai. Puku hope wai wai. I hua hae. Ka pai. Now that our warm-up is finished, I just want to make one special little shout out to a young boy. His name is Jono Beasley, and Jono has been really enjoying the sessions. I got a wonderful message from his mother over the weekend, and Jono, I just want to encourage you to keep going with your Kapahaka, keep singing nice and loud, keep learning some new actions. Kia ora, my friend. So here we are. Waiata tuatahi. Tutira mai ngā iwi, hope, kiraro, hope. Tutira mai ngā toru wha. Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia papatahi, kia kotahira, tātou e, tātou, tātou, puriti aki a mau, he au e hi. Ka pai. Let's go through Purea nei. I'll sing, you sing, I'll sing, you sing. Here we go. Ki raro. Hope. Purea nei. E te hau. Oroia. E te ua. Fiti, fitia. E te rā. Mahe ake ngā. Poraruraru. Makere ana ngā here. Well done. Purea nei, you and me, let's waiata together. Ki raro, hope, taru wha. Purea nei, e te hau. Horoia, horoia, e te ua. Fiti, fitia. Te rā. Mahea. Mahea ke ngā. Poraruraru. Makere ana ngā here. Makere ana ngā here. Alright, you know what one's up next? It's Pūrerehua. And we're not going to warm up with it, we're going to jump straight in. Ki raro, hope, Pūrerehua, toru wha. Pūrerehua, rereru ngā hau. Papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Ka tau runga pua oi. Ka whānau hua, a pūrerehua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka pā. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe ano. Pūrerehua, rereru ngā hau. Papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papa ki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Mauri ora. Another waiata that we know really well by now is karanga mai, ki raro, hope, toru wha. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori, he manu, fio, piwai waka e. How'd you get on? Good. So you know what's happening now then, eh? That's right, super fast. Ki raro, hope, toru wha. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu kori, he manu fio, piwai waka e. Woo! Feeling it. Yes. I love it. Ki raro, hope, one after me. Then one together. Here we go. Tihe Māori ora. Tihe Māori ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia. Nice. Tua ke manakitia. Ngā iwi kia orara. Perfect. Let's go. Tihe Māori ora.
Twice.
Yeah, non-stop. Kiraro. Hope. Toru wha. Tihe Māori ora. Tihe Māori ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia. Tua ke manakitia. Ngā iwi kia orara. Tihe Māori ora. Tihe Māori ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora. Tahirua toruga. Hea wehi. Woo! What a Monday, what a way to start. Good work, whānau, good work. We are feeling it today. Waiata Aringa, this is Rona, this is one of our newer ones. And here's how we're going to do it today. I'm just going to sing it through twice. Whatever you remember from last week, great. Okay? Copy as many of the actions as you can, remembering that you are a mirror to me. And in terms of the words will come eventually, alright? The more you hear it, the more that you'll pick up those kupu. I don't want you to stress about the words just yet, alright? Here we go. Kiraro, hope. Toru wha, tā koto ana au I te moe ngā uri uri tuake au. Titiro ki te atarau, kei rungara, te marama e whiti ana kai he arona, ke rotora, piri ki te taha, piri ki te mai o au era, e rona e, au erona, tā koto ana au I te moe ngā uri uri tuake au. Titiro ki te atara, kei rungara, te marama e whiti ana kai he arona, kei rungara, piri ki te taha, piri ki te ngai o au era, e rona e, au erona, kapahika, au ehi. It's a good song, eh? Lots of energy, beautiful waiata. I can't wait to spend a little bit more time on Rona in the coming weeks. Start talking about this beautiful story that we have in our Māori culture around the story of Rona. Ka pai? Here we go. Haka time. What time? Haka time! What time? Haka time! What time? Haka time! What time? Haka time! Yes! Woo! Are you ready? Here we go. Kiraro. Ki te haka. Come on. Just waiting for Ivy. Here we go. Who's got this? Heto! Heto! Kamaya! Kamaya! Heto! Heto! Kamaya! Kamaya! He kakano! Rui amai! Uhia, uhia.
Uhia, uhia.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Uhia, uhia.
Uhia, uhia.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Katu,
Gatu.
rangatira.
Rangatira.
Oh, papa.
Oh, papa.
Awehu.
Away. I had.
Kapai. So here we go. We've done our warm-up haka. Let's hit it 100%. Last week, on Friday, we did the volume challenge. Put your hand up if you asked your neighbors and they could hear you doing the haka.
Yes. Yeah.
Good. You're quite a few of you. Well done. Kia ora. So today's haka challenge is a little bit different. Today's haka challenge is an accuracy of the hands. Kapai, I want all of your movements to be strong. I want all of your movements to be bold. And I want them up and I want them out, away from your body. Are you ready to follow me through? What's that? You want to go together? Right, let's go together then. Here we are. Kira. Kidiago. Hopper.
Hi.
Ta-da-da-tee-ta-ha. Tee-ta-ha. Tee-ta-ha. Heto. Heto. Kamaya. Kamaya. Heto. Heto. Kamaya. Kamaya. Hekakano. Ruiamai. Irangiata. Papaki. Tee-ta-ha. 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 Uhia. 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 Tekaha. Tekaha. Uhia. Uhia. Tekaha. Tekaha. Katu. Rangatira. Boa papa. Hawehi. Get out. Was it good? Did you feel that whaitiri? Yeah, Kapa. Grab your poi. Once again, we sing freestyle actions or follow me. Up to you. Poi poi e. Poi karite. What's your poi?
11:19.
Here we go. Toru. Fa. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Ti patu patu a ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Ti patu patu a ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Oh hey hey ha. Kapai. Well done. See, a week ago, oh, this was all a little bit too hard. But now look at you. Man, you're throwing that poi around like a seasoned professional. It's so good. Thank you very much. Now's the time to get your rākau, okay? 2 per person. Find you a nice posse sitting on the floor or kneeling on the floor. Jarden and I are going to use a table so that the movements are up and you can see them. If you give me 1 minute to set up while you set yourselves up, and I'll meet you back. No, don't go anywhere. Just set yourself up, okay? Here we go, real quick. Here we go. Woo. That last one broke.
Whoop.
Oh, you put them both up. Oh yeah, that'll work.
Oh, that was.
No, leave it up, leave it up. Good man, good
Oh,
man.
that one went up there.
Yeah.
Oh, Ivy, watch out.
Good girl. Here we go. Look,
Perfect.
go. We can watch. Oh, there's two.
Alright. Hop at the table, bro.
I don't know where yours are.
Yeah.
Cool, here we go.
Yeah, these are mine.
No, upper. No, upper. Can you check out that room, baby?
Yeah, perfect. Ivy, can you come over here, please?
Mama, shit.
Yeah, do you want to watch? Yeah. Here's your one.
Okay, is everyone ready? Is everyone set up? Yes?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So, you need 2 rākau. And you'll see that one of my rākau is marked, yeah, with the black tape. And Jarden's one is marked also with the black tape. Now, we're going to hold our marked rākau in our right hand. So, I'm just going to put a little black dot on Jarden's hand, so that he knows the black one goes in the right hand all the time. Okay? Alright, now rākau poto is all about the beat. The foundation to rākau poto is in the beat. About trying to work together, yeah? Like a single heartbeat. So we're going to start off with a combination of beats this morning. And the first one is really, really easy. I call it the boom, chick, chick. When I say boom, we're hitting the ground. When I say chick, chick, we're touching our rākau together. And can you see how I'm holding my rākau? I'm actually holding my rākau in the fingertips, so that when I bang them together, the entire rākau surface is touching one another. Yeah. Boom, chick, chick. Are you ready? Toru. Fa. Boom, chick, chick, boom, chick, 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 chick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai. Awesome. Was that easy enough? Right then, let's do beat number 2. This is called the boom, chick, bap, bap, bap. When I say boom, we hit the ground. When I say chick, we touch the rākau together. And when I say bap, 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 I want you to hold one up and hit it, bap, bap, bap. Nice and slow. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, bap, bap, bap. Boom, chick, bap, bap, bap. Boom, chick. 8, 7, 6, 4, 5,
Slow down.
1, 3, 2. Kia ora. Ka pai. We've got one more beat this morning. This is the boom, chick, down, down, down. Boom, chick, down, down, down. So when I say boom, we hit the ground. When I say chick, the rākau touch. And when I say down, 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 I want you to start on this side and go across. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Perfect. Toru, fa. Boom, chick, up, up, up. Boom, chick, up, up, up. Boom, chick. Boom, chick. Boom, chick. Boom, chick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kia ora! Ka pai! So now we're going to start getting into a little bit of rākau movement, yeah? And the first rākau movement is just knowing our rights and lefts, yeah? Now, we're not mirroring in this one. So when I'm holding up my right hand, it's going to be different to your right hand. Stay on this side for now. Okay? So, I want you to hold up your right hand. Give it a good shake. Yeah, cool. Our right hand, we know our right hand because we've got the black ones in the right hand. Okay, so here we go. Boom, chick, shake the right. Boom, chick, shake the left. When I say boom, we hit the ground. When I say chick, we touch the rākau together. And then shake the right. And then boom, chick, shake the left. Are you ready? Toru, wha. Shake the right. Shake the left. Shake the right. Shake your left. Shake the right. Shake the left. Shake the right. Shake the left. Shake the right. Shake the left. Last one. Shake the right. Shake the left. Kapa. Was that good? Ooh, well then let's step up our rākau movement one more level. If you're really good at this, you can actually flip your rākau upside down. But if you're just starting out, I want you to try and let go of your rākau in the middle of the air and then catch it again. Just try that a few times on your right hand.
Good.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's alright.
Straight up and down.
We're all learning.
Good.
You want to try it on your left? Here we go. Cool. If you were looking to do the flip, it looks like this. Cool. The top of your rākau just goes to the bottom. Yeah, it's not a full flip. It's just the top to bottom flip. Yeah?
Oh, I did it.
So here we go. You ready, Jaja? Here we go. Take a kneel, bro. We're going to go boom on the ground. We're going to go chick together. And then we flip the right or throw the right. And then we boom, chick. And then we do it on the left. Okay? Toru, wha. Boom, chick, right. Boom, chick, left. 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 Kapa. How'd you get on with the throw? Oh, good. Good. Wow. Now's the time where you need to find a partner. So turn to your partner, and if there's not enough people to go around, you can just share the partners around. Kapa? Here we go. This is called the boom, chick, touch. The boom, chick, touch. When I say boom, we hit the ground. When I say chick, the rākau touch. And when I say, yep, we go right. That's your black one touch. And then boom, chick, and then the left touch. Cool? Now, what we don't want to do is hit them hard, eh, son? We don't want to go boom, chick. Yeah? Oh, that's not kind. So let's be kind to our friends, eh? Here we go. Boom, chick, black. Boom, chick, left. Boom, chick, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapa. Should we try that one more time, but maybe I might sing for you, eh? A little bit of E Papa Waiari. Classic. Yeah? Let's give it a go. Toru, wha. E Papa. Oh, the black one's in the wrong hand. Here we go. Don't forget your black dot for the black rākau. Toru, wha. E Papa Waiari toku ne mahi, aku ne mahi, he tūkuroi mata, he au e, kamate au, he hine hoki mai rā. High five, bro. So, here we go. Now we're going to start exchanging these rākau. This is going to get a little bit tricky.
But our exchange is not going to be through the air. We're not going to throw the rākau at our partner just yet. Okay? Might be a bit early for that. What we can do though is start to understand the exchange between your partner by just stepping it through. Won't you follow us? Make sure you've got the right rākau in the right hand. Here we go. Let's start off with a boom. Let's start off with a chick. And then I want you to slap your right rākau onto the ground in front of you. No, leave that one in the left hand. And then use the same right hand to grab your partner's right one. So that when you're finished, I've still got a right-handed rākau in my right hand. Does that make sense? Yeah. So when we do the exchange, we're just going to exchange the right hand for now. It's called the boom, chick, slap, grab. Boom, chick, slap, grab. Here we go. Toru, wha. Boom, chick, slap, grab. So boom, chick, slap, grab. Boom, chick, slap, grab. Slap, grab. Boom, chick, slap, grab. Slap, grab. Slap, grab. Slap, grab. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Kapa. Do you want to try it on the left now? Yeah? Should we try it with the left? So here we go. Check that you've got a right hand rākau in the right hand and a left hand rākau in the left hand. Let's go. Boom. We chick. Slap the left and grab. Boom. Chick. Slap. Grab. Slap. Grab. Boom. Chick. Slap. Grab. Slow down, son. Boom. Chick. Slap. Grab.
Nice.
Boom. Chick. Slap. Grab. Boom. Chick. Slap. Grab. Boom. Chick. Boom. Chick. Boom. Chick. Boom. Chick. Awesome.
Yeah.
How'd you get on with the left? Any harder? Any easier? Okay, that's cool. How would you like to try then a right and then a left? We're getting tricky now. Watch carefully. Here we go, son. We go boom. We go chick. We go slap. The black and grab. Then the other hand. Boom. Chick. Left. Grab. Boom.
Black.
Chick. Black. Grab.
Other hand.
Other hand. This one?
Yep.
Yep. White. Grab. Boom.
Black.
Chick. Black. Grab.
Other one.
Boom. Chick. White. Grab. Boom. Chick. Black. Grab. Boom. Chick. White. White. Grab. Awesome. Kapa, son. Gets confusing, eh? How did you get on with that one? Cool. Okay, then let's recap a whole bunch of moves that you can try in your own time. Yeah? Are you ready? Let's do the recap. Right. You can have a break now, son, if you like. Yeah, here we go. So, we start off with the beats. First one, boom, chick, chick, boom, chick, chick. Let's do 5. Toru, wha. Ua, toru, wha, rima. Kia ora. Boom, chick, bap, bap, bap. Toru, wha. Tahi. Ua. Toru. Wha. Rima. Kia ora. Boom, chick, down, down, down. Toru, wha. Tahi. Ua. Toru. Wha. Rima. Kapa. Shake right, shake left. Shake the right. Shake the left. Shake the right. Shake the left. Shake the right. Shake the left. Shake the right. And shake the left. Kapa? Alright, let's flip it. Toru, wha. Boom, chick. Flip the right. Flip the left. Flip the right. Flip the left. Flip the right. And the left. the right, the left. Yeah. And then the partner work. Let's do virtual partnerships, eh? Are you ready? Is that good, babe?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, here we go. This is my right. Get your right ready. Here we go. Just touching in the middle. Kapa. Is that good? Awesome. Let's do the exchange then, eh? You ready? Toru, fa. Slap, grab. 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 Well done. What a big session today. We got through so much learning. I really appreciate that these rākau poto, like the poi, they're not necessarily that easy for everyone. So for those of you at home that had a little bit of trouble with the rākau poto, it's all good. Today was just the introduction, yeah? We'll look at it again tomorrow in a little bit more detail. And for those of you that really found this quite easy, then tomorrow I will also include some challenges that will help get your skills, or help to test just how good those skills really are. Kapai. As always, whānau, if you have any questions, just message me on the page. Kapai. I hope you've had a wonderful start to your Monday. Looking forward to a big week. Thank you so much for joining me. Please, if you know someone that might benefit or might enjoy the sessions, by all means share the link with them. And if you have whānau or friends that aren't on Facebook, make sure to link them into the YouTube channel as if you can. Kapai, from my whānau to your whānau, mauri ora.